Hey there, today we're changing out this rear dome light so that the front map lights that we've replaced with LEDs match the rear as well. Now this switch has 3 settings, on, auto, and off. We're going to keep it in the off position. Those bulbs get hot. Let's stick our trim removal tool in here. You may have noticed that when I put this in the back initially, it caught this main plastic here instead of the clear plastic. We only want to remove this clear plastic. It does come down out the back first, and it pivots out of these 2 holes here. I was able to get in from the side and get between the 2 plastics and gently pry around to the front, where I was able to pop it out of these 2 hooks, and then it just pivots out of these. Before I pull this bulb out, I'm making sure my LED matches it. Yep, same size. This LED replacement bulb is slightly longer than the incandescent bulb that came out of it. It also has slightly different tips than the incandescent bulb. That's okay though, because these do bend out of the way just a little bit to make room for this one, but you do want to make sure that it's only like a millimeter difference. There are bulbs that come way longer than that, and you don't want to try to force those in there. This bulb is also directional, so I've rotated it so the heat sink is facing up and the light is facing directly down. Testing it, it works in both settings. LEDs do have polarity to them, so you want to test it first before you put the clear plastic back into place. So we're putting these back tabs in first, and then that pivots up, snaps into place, and there's no gap around the edge. Once everything's assembled, put away your tools on the old bulb and you're all set. Thanks for watching this episode of Car Simplified. Consider using the link in the description below. Every little bit helps, and it makes more content like this possible.